you curious to see what I got in this super shiny box of style? Keep watching to find out. Hi, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. I'm Maria, and I share helpful reviews, fashion lookbooks, home decor, and recipe videos. So if you like those types of things, please make sure to subscribe. Today I wanted to share my unboxing of the Winter 2018 Box of Style. If you aren't familiar with Box of Style, it's a quarterly box from Rachel Zoe, who puts together lots of fashionable goodies all in one place. And even if you aren't into style boxes, with it being the season of giving, this would make a great gift for that someone special in your life. I would label this as a high-end style box because it's in the same arena as FabFitFun or Pop Sugar, but the price is higher than those. You get fewer items, but the items are really high quality. And what I love about this box is that the value is really good and the variety of items is great. So you'll usually get a home item, a fashion item, an accessory, a beauty product, and they change it up by the season. So you might get a cozy blanket in the winter and a swimsuit cover-up in the summer. There are usually around 5 products in each seasonal box, and everything is packaged really nice. The packaging is always just gorgeous. This box has a beautiful rose gold theme, and you get a nice little booklet telling you all about everything that's in the box. So let's see what I got in my winter box of style. The first item is this Love AJ Marquee Diamond Disc Statement Ring. The retail value is $85. Before my box even shipped, I had the option to choose rose gold or yellow gold. I always pick yellow gold, so I went with something different this time, and I got the rose gold. I like how it has the illusion of stacked rings, but it's all in one piece. It's really pretty in person, but I don't know if it really feels like an $85 ring. It's nice and solid, but not super heavy or anything like I would expect from a high-end piece of jewelry. What do you guys think of this ring? Next, we have the Jules K exclusive vegan leather tote. This retails at $150. And it's a beautiful pale pink vegan leather tote that you could wear to work, for travel, or running errands. It's big enough to fit a laptop, and I like the option for shoulder or hand straps. But there's no way to secure the opening. It's a great size, and it really feels nice with the vegan leather. The rope details on the straps makes this really elegant, and it's just a really great tote bag. A lot of times vegan leather is on the pricey side, so I would say the $150 retail value is about right. Next is this full-size Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil. The retail value is $105. I've heard a lot about Sunday Riley brand, so I'm excited to try out this night oil. It's supposed to combat fine lines and wrinkles, even texture, and reduce the appearance of pores. This is a really nice sized bottle of this product, so hopefully I'll like it because there's a lot to go through. Next is the Amika Dream Smoothing Balm with a retail value of $25. This is a multi-purpose hair product that hydrates and protects against environmental damage, frizz, and heat styling. It's lightweight and it's a cream, and it provides hold without stiffness. It says to apply to damp hair before blowing out for a smooth and sleek look, or you could run a dollop through your hair to separate and hold soft waves. So this sounds like a really good multi-purpose product, and I just love when they send hair products in these boxes because they are so universal, and most people will love trying out a new hair product. Last, we have the Eddie Borgo, the Soho watch. This is an exclusive item for this box of style. Sometimes Rachel Zoe partners with a brand and they create an item that is specific just for Box of Style subscribers. So this is one of those. The retail value is $115. This rose gold watch goes so nicely with the rose gold ring. It was a little awkward trying to fasten this band. Once it was on though, it really looked nice. It does feel a little light for a high quality watch. I would not necessarily value it at $115. I would say maybe half of that. So overall, this wasn't my favorite Box of Style that I've ever gotten, but I still love Box of Style, and that's part of the fun. You don't know what you're going to get, and there's no guarantee you will love every single thing in the box, but overall, I would say the success rate has been good with my Box of Style subscription. I will make sure to leave my Box of Style link in the description box below so that you can check it out for yourself, or if you want to give it as a gift to somebody else. The price for one Box of Style is $1.99, and then for a set of 4 you get a discount for $3.49. Even though the price is high, the value is good because, for example, the retail value of everything in the box I just showed you was around $450. So you're getting almost $500 worth of products for about $100. Or less if you do that annual subscription at $350. If you want to see if I got more excited about my FabFitFun box, then make sure to subscribe because my next video will be all about the Winter FabFitFun, which is another style and beauty box at a lower price tag. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that you have a very happy rest of your day.